Welcome to beautiful road of Dharmasthala. Enjoyed that different view. Actually, I have a carbon racing windshield, so it is difficult for me to put a permanent mount, which I'm telling a 3M mount. So I just had to do this jugaad. So this is Shiradigat Road, and you could see it's all concreted. People are coming. There's a lot of overtakes here, and a lot of Bangalore to Mangalore and vice versa. Any vehicle. It's very calm right now, but people who are visiting to this temple at this moment are very high. I think the crowd will be too much, and still we'll have to manage with the social distancing. That's the main thing. And it's already 8:42, and it's already 8:42, and suddenly my trip meter has changed. God knows why. It has come back to zero and it is rolling back. Completed 13 kilometers right now. It is roughly around 300 kilometers. The temple Ghat section, you can see the view. Look at the cars. I think they have come at probably night and or very early morning. They are returning back after the darshanam and we are heading out. We'll see if they are renting out the rooms as per the government rules, but if they're not doing it, so we have a tent for backup. Here we are. So this is the junction, and this one is the arch.
Well, we are in the hotel room. There are already shops open at 5 o'clock in the morning. So we just started to go to our waterfalls yesterday evening, and we ended up in a heavy rainfall. We were stuck for almost 2 hours there. Well, we were stuck for 1.5 to 2 hours there. We were heading back to room post evening. We went to temple, had the food again. And again we came back, we rested again. So we got this room at just very reasonable price, around 300 rupees, budget friendly. If you are coming to this temple, definitely gonna stay in any one of these temple rooms only. 300 for a single. So 4 beds. Yeah, 4 beds, but it is not that comfortable, I'll tell. Well, what can you afford for 300 rupees? We are just getting ready by morning. So we are just waiting for the hot waters, but hot water is not coming because of heavy rains yesterday. Well, that's why we are packing and leaving right now. We'll go for the falls. We'll see if we can ride into the falls, and then we come across Chamadi Ghat. Okay. This is the view at 5:30. The shops are open. Well, we are heading for waterfalls right now. And welcome to another video of Dakshina Kannada series. We just stayed in this kind of room from the temple itself. It's very affordable at 300 rupees. Not refundable for 24 hours. ಗಾಡಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇವಾಗ. ಬೈಕ್ ಲವರ್ ಗೌಡ್ರು. Okay, let's warm her up. It's 9 in the morning. My friend Ravinder is MS. Oh. So this is the hotel we stayed, Vaishali. Now the destination is we are getting to Irmai Falls. It is approximately 40 minutes from here, which is around 26 kilometers. Since it is little curve and not the highway, it's showing around 46 minutes ETA. We'll get you on the way with lots of footages since it's raining. So well, the update on the bus, a lot of people were asking. There's almost 6 to 7 KSRTC bus from districts. Wow, raw footage. This destination is somewhere called Kajur, just ahead of Kajur, just I think 1 kilometers from Kajur. So from Kajur you take a right and go to this way. Ready? So this is an off-road. Well, the fun begins now. Oh. Well, let me stand up for a while. It's been... The thing is, since it has rained heavily, it's very much slippery. The stones are very slippery. And I'm running with the socks. Whoa! Let's see how far we can go. The location is very good. Well, my front tires are nimbling around. The location I want to place around 4,000. ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I'll not talk much because I'm enjoying the ride and I have not put the adapter as well, so just enjoy this raw unedited screens in front of you. ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಬೇಜಾರು. ಸರ್, ಇರ್ಮೈ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೇನಾ? ಇನ್ನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಅಣ್ಣ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರಿ.
ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ನಿಲ್ಲೋದಣ್ಣ.
5 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಬರ್ತೀರಿ ಬೇಗ.
ವಿಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗು. ಹಂಗಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಓಯ್ ಹಂಗೆ ನಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ನಡಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನೊಂದೋಯ್ತು ಅದು.